Hello YouTube! How you doing, my friends? Finally I'm back, and today I got a new RC card to share with you. It's a 1/16 scale basher. It doesn't come in the graphics box, but it comes well protected in this styrofoam box. Let's take it out and do the fast unboxing and share with you one or two things that I really don't like at first sight, but we're gonna mend at least one of them and later we'll mend the other one. Alright, so as always, it comes with a charger, instructions, a wheel wrench, the RC car. It comes with a very nice transmitter. It feels right in the hand, it's big. It has steering trim and throttle dual rate. And you have two speeds, 70%, 100%, and a button for the lights. This comes with front lights and roof lights. I ordered this because I went to look online for the cheapest 1/16 scale RC car I could find. Alright, with the lowest budget. That's why I ordered without the original box, and I ordered the brushed version. I'll put the model of the brushed version here and the brushless in here, so you can check the prices and the differences. But for what it is, I like what I see. It's a very nice RC car. The model is the SCY 9522. So I know this brand. I already have the Beast, the SG 116 Max, which is from the same brand. Inside this bag, it also came this rear wing. I had to install it, only 2 screws, pretty easy. The battery comes inside, and the one thing I really don't like too much is the battery connection, but that's not a big problem for me. I have other connectors and I'm gonna change this connector so I can use my batteries, but for review purposes I'm gonna use the stock one. Alright? It comes with a 35 amp ESC. A brushed motor is basically the same size as the 2845 brushless. Already comes with an heat sink. It comes with these shocks, but they are not oil filled. As you can see, they bounce a little bit. Right? Mainly the rear ones. But I already checked, and this is basically the same size as the SG 116 Max. So oil-filled shocks for this are about $7, something like that. So I'll order that and we'll try that on another video. So the other thing I really don't like is it comes with this much play in the rear wheels. And the front one, not so bad, but it has play. So we're gonna solve that right now. And for that, it's a pretty easy solution. We're just gonna use some washers. I'll give you the measure for the washer in a little bit. And in the front, I'm gonna use these shims. 0.2 thick millimeters shims. Right? I'll show you the difference because this one's already has them. You see, no play. Everything rolls free. Just the same. Front and rear. Right? So that's a pretty easy solution. Right, so the shims used in the front are 5mm inner hole, right, this center hole, 12mm in size, so outer diameter, and 0.2mm thickness. As you can see, I had to use 2, so if you want you can order 0.4mm, but I like to order these smaller sizes because you can always use 2 or 3 depending on what you need, right? And there are several SC cars that you can use these shims on differentials, on wheels. Yeah, I've used them a lot. And in the rear you have the same 12mm outer diameter, but the inner diameter has to be 6mm, and the thickness is 0.5 on this one. It's a little bit thicker than this, 0.5, 0.6, something like that. I had a thicker one, but I grind them down using a file, right? A metal file. You can grind down, if you have washers at home, at least if they have this 12mm outer diameter and 6mm inner hole, you can grind them down to the thickness you want. It's pretty easy. You just put them on a bolt with super glue on the head of the bolt. You glue it, and after that you put it on a press or something, some place where you can hold it, and you grind it down. Alright, that's what I did. Now that's out of the way, let's check the other specifications on this. The thing I like about this RC car is it has all drivetrain is metal on this. You have metal dog bones, metal CVDs, right? Metal hubs, metal differentials, diff cups. Center drive shaft is metal, so all drivetrain is metal. So this is the same as the brushless version, so you can easily, if I think it's not fast enough, I easily will install a brushless motor and a brushless ESC in here. The only thing that I will have to change as well is the servo, because this is a 5-wire servo. And the brushless motors and ESCs normally are 3-wire servos. So if you're wanting to buy this model specifically, if you have the money, invest in a little bit more and get the brushless version. You'll be more happy with that for sure. But I think in speed and performance, the brushed motor for this kind of RC car is more than enough, but we'll see that when I try it. Alright. Other thing, it uses 12mm X. I'm gonna show you. And I'm gonna show you how you install the washer, so you can understand how it's done. You remove this. Be careful not to lose the pin. And you put the shim like that. Now you put the pin back in, like so. The X, this comes with plastic axis. We put the wheel. That's it. Now it's almost no play. Some play is normal. In these RC cars, you'll never have zero play. As you can see, it rolls freely, and that's it. In the front is the same deal, so I'm not gonna bother you with that. That's how you do it. Now let's check the lights, how they function. It's that. It's at 100%. Yeah, it should be fast enough. So, as the video is already pretty long, more than 10 minutes, I will do the bashing session on my next video. Alright, my friends, I hope I can see you there. Thank you very much for your company, for your support. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.